Oh, that was close. Almost took my leg off. We are off to get the 240 worked on. Let's go get us some coffee. Yeah, man, we made it. We're at Nick's. Check it out. Right now, we're figuring out a game plan, how we're gonna do this, how we're gonna get on it. Bear with us. Making a list.
What's the size of the cardboard stick we need? Is it going to be a long day or you know?
A small day.
Small day.
It's going to be a large pizza box day.
Yeah, I think that's what it's going to be. So I'm going to try to find a gasket box or something big. Oh, bro, I got boxes. I know. I got boxes outside. Oh, I got that. Good for me. Is that good for you?
Sure.
We're gonna write small, so we're gonna look at the list even though we got the whole card to take. Alright, so we gotta do front bash bar, back bash bar. We gotta do the hydro, we need to dress up the engine. Tranny, trans tunnel, that humongous seat.
Two humongous seats.
Two humongous seats. Okay, seats fitting. Still pop-ups, you got those?
Yep, they're in the trunk.
Pop-ups.
I don't have the motor, so I just have the lights.
Okay, it's a drift car.
Exactly.
Have you ever seen my pop-ups close on my Liandra? Don't need the motor.
Wow, that went fast.
It's all written by an ape, but you get the, get the point. I think that's enough for today. And then we're gonna make a Gucci list. Like where we are on this, and do we want to Gucci it up?
Gucci it up is what? Make it pretty?
Yeah, make it pretty. Yeah, let's make it as pretty. It's not on the list.
Yeah.
It can't be on the first list too. We're gonna run out of time.
Cool. Alright.
The finance is well made though. This is a good idea, but without tubs and stuff, we got a lot of room. So no CPUs in that thing?
Alright, so you got that? Our list is ready to go. Now, just gotta dig in. Wash it. But it's a race car.
Yeah, it is a race car. It's not running yet, but planning on running that V8 in that stock tank. Who's the pump in there?
It's a 255. It ran an LS3 before, apparently.
Yeah.
I have a 285 at home if you need it.
If it's not the stock pump, it's gonna do it.
Yeah, it's not stock.
Because it would never run.
Well, that's crazy.
That's ugly, but it's gonna work. Go here. Figure out the length in which we're gonna cut it. So smart. Oh shit, it's gonna alright. Gonna cut that shit right here.
You know
this.
So there's the basic design of the bash bar. We're gonna have something on each side, to the corners. That way, if one side of the car gets hit, it doesn't push the bash bar right across to the other side. If I hit the left side, I don't have to face the right side. And it's always gonna kind of line up to be able to pull it straight. So the idea, like you can see, throwing that bar in, one like that on each side, boom. And then we put the jack point in the middle, like he just said.
You wanna just, kind of gonna need your help now.
Yep. You don't like them?
The back one, yeah. Front ones.
Alright, so we got a bunch of stuff done today, but overall today was more about making a game plan, figuring everything out. We got it all locked down. Nick's gonna get on that tomorrow. So, what's going on right now? It's the end of the day. The boys are here. We're gonna chill. It is Sunday, so can't work all the time. We gotta relax a bit. Jamie's here.
What's up, top? Gonna bounce some tires.
Yeah.
Drift life.
So he brought some tires. We got some chilling to do, hanging out in the shop. So next time you see this car, it's gonna be a little bit different. Nick's gonna work on it, and I'm not gonna be around to film it because I still have a normal job. So please keep checking in.